Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a delayed TradingView chart. First, understand the cause of chart delays. These delays usually happen for several reasons. Free TradingView accounts often have 15 to 20 minute delayed data on some exchanges. Certain exchanges provide delayed data unless you subscribe to real-time data. Slow internet connections or browser lag can make charts update slowly. Incorrect time zone settings may also make your chart appear delayed if they do not match the exchange. Next, check your account type. Free accounts will have some delays by default. Paid accounts such as Pro or Pro Plus or Premium provide access to real-time data. Consider upgrading if you need instant updates for stocks, futures, or crypto. Verify your exchange subscription as well. Each market may require separate data subscription. For example, stocks on Nasdaq or NYCE, futures on CME, and Forex or crypto may need individual subscriptions. Even Pro account users must subscribe to the Nasdaq real-time feed to remove delays. Refresh trading by reloading the browser or app. If needed, clear the cache and reconnect to your account. Sometimes the chart updates automatically after a refresh. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and high speed. If Wi-Fi is slow, try using a wired connection. Adjust your chart settings. Make sure auto update or auto refresh is enabled. Select the correct exchange symbol, as similar symbols may slow delayed data. Also check the time frame, as shorter time frames may appear slower on delayed feeds. Finally, use real-time data by subscribing to the exchange feed within TradingView. This applies to stock, futures, crypto, and Forex. After subscribing, your charts will update instantly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.